Nulls in a data set are common and they look harmless enough, but if you're trying to run a quick case statement and you're getting unexpected results, chances are you're doing it a little bit wrong. But thankfully, it's easy to fix. But if you remember nothing else from this video, nulls are not zero. So you shouldn't replace it with a zero and try to work through the unexpected result that way, but let's dig into what you can do. This table has some details around Public Utility Commission of Texas and the informal complaints that they receive. Just doing a quick look, I'm seeing nulls in the utility type and then some dates. So let's look at the number of complaints by utility type to kind of get a sense of how many nulls populate this data set. We have, wow, the highest with assuming representative here, 19,000, and the second up would be nulls at almost 9,300. So that's a significant part of this data set. Let's give it an all other and start categorizing so we can get a better sense of what we're looking at. A standard case statement, case when rep equals representative, when equals null, then it's not shared, and so on and so forth here, so that we basically get a top four-ish and then the rest get counted as other. And we're going to call that utility categorization and all the same stuff inside of our group by. So when I hit execute, now this is what we have. But what you'll notice is representative, other, TDU, and there's no null value as we were expecting. Because whenever you try to say equals null, there's no such thing. It can't equal an absence, right? So that's kind of what's happening here. I'm basically saying case when utility type equals null, and equals null cannot be a thing. If I reframe the formula just a little bit so that when case when still happening, but I'm saying utility type equals rep, I'm having to type the when utility type. And then that way I can isolate the utility type is null. That's really the crutch of what needs to happen. You need to be able to say is null versus an equal for the other values, and altering your case statement so that instead of that blanket case with the variable or column at the top of that section, now we have to have utility type inside of each line for this to work. So when I run that, we are going to see a not shared. So the other actually superseded it, so they actually make up a good chunk of the data, so there might be something to explore. Before you even think about replacing those nulls to make a few extra keystrokes with a case statement or in your where statement, whatever the case is, pun intended, please just don't replace them. There are several reasons why you do not want to do that. More on that in this video.